UE or UX Development. Lecture 5. Visual Design and Prototyping. Introduction to Visual Design. Creating high-fidelity prototypes. Using design tools Sketch, Figma, Adobe XD. Introduction to Visual Design. Visual design is the process of using typography, color, shape, and other design elements to create engaging and aesthetically pleasing visuals that communicate information effectively. It is an important aspect of UE or UX design as it helps to enhance the usability and user experience of a product or service. Visual design is used to create visual hierarchy, balance, contrast, and rhythm, among other design principles. Visual hierarchy is the arrangement of elements in a way that guides the user's attention towards the most important information first. Balance is the distribution of visual weight in a design, while contrast refers to the juxtaposition of different design elements to create visual interest. Rhythm is the use of repetition and variation to create a sense of flow and movement in a design. Typography is an important aspect of visual design, as it is used to convey the tone and style of a product or service. Different fonts and typefaces can be used to convey different moods and emotions, and designers must choose the appropriate font to match the tone of the product or service. Color is another important aspect of visual design, as it can be used to create contrast, balance, and visual interest. Different colors can evoke different emotions and moods, and designers must choose the appropriate color scheme to match the tone of the product or service. Icons and other graphical elements can also be used in visual design to enhance the usability and user experience of a product or service. Icons can help to communicate information quickly and effectively, and they can also add visual interest to a design. Creating high-fidelity prototypes. Creating high-fidelity prototypes is an important part of the UI/UX design process, as it allows designers to test and refine their design concepts before the final product is developed. High-fidelity prototypes are highly detailed and closely resemble the final product. In terms of both appearance and functionality, they are typically interactive and may include animations, transitions, and other elements that simulate the user experience. There are several tools and techniques that designers can use to create high-fidelity prototypes. Some of the most popular tools include Sketch, Adobe XD, Figma, InVision, and Axure. These tools offer a range of features, including the ability to create wireframes, mockups, and prototypes, as well as collaborate with team members and receive feedback from stakeholders. When creating high-fidelity prototypes, designers should focus on creating a seamless and intuitive user experience. They should pay close attention to the visual design elements, such as typography, color, and layout, and ensure that they are consistent with the overall design concept. They should also consider the user flow and ensure that the prototype accurately represents the intended user journey. Once the high-fidelity prototype is complete, designers can conduct usability testing to gather feedback from users and identify areas for improvement. This feedback can then be used to refine the design and create a final product that is user-friendly and meets the needs of its intended audience. Using design tools. Sketch, Figma, Adobe XD. Design tools are software applications that are used to create visual designs, wireframes, prototypes, and other design elements for UE or UX design projects. There are several popular design tools available, including Sketch, Figma, and Adobe XD. Sketch is a popular vector-based design tool that is widely used by UE or UX designers. It is known for its ease of use, speed, and flexibility. It allows designers to create high-fidelity designs and prototypes, and it has a wide range of plugins and integrations that can help to streamline the design process. Figma is another popular design tool that is gaining popularity in the UE or UX design community. It is a cloud-based design tool that allows designers to collaborate on designs in real time. It has many of the same features as Sketch, including vector editing, design libraries, and prototyping capabilities. Thanks for watching. Wait for more informative video.